Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start with power and controls. Make sure the battery is healthy so settings save. Once confirmed, identify the mode button and the crown or adjust buttons on your K Sport watch. Now press and hold the mode button for about 3 to 5 seconds until the hour or seconds begin blinking. That tells you the watch is in time set mode. You do this so the watch accepts adjustments instead of normal runtime behavior. Once blinking, you're ready for precise changes. Now change the values. Use the crown or the up/down adjust buttons to increment hours. Short presses step by one, while a long press speeds through numbers. Once the hour is correct, press mode once to move to minutes and again to access date and day. Each field will blink when active so you know what you're editing. Make sure to set AM or PM correctly, or switch to 24-hour format if you prefer. That prevents a 12-hour offset later. Finish by pressing the mode button or pushing the crown to confirm. The display will stop blinking and the watch returns to normal timekeeping. If the time reverts or won't save, make sure battery contacts are clean and seated. Replace the battery if needed, then repeat the process. If the watch is unresponsive, do a soft reset as described in the manual before attempting again. This clears temporary glitches without risking water resistance or damaging the crown assembly. That should complete the change.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.